If you watch TikTok, you probably know Dr. Babusa. That's why I call him Daddy. It's because he's my dad. Here, let me show you his reaction to me when I do the bird trend.
Oh, no! My grandpa!
What's up? Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
What is this? Why must you record?
I'm showing
Aww.
your reaction to me doing the bird trend.
Reaction to the bird chirp.
Yeah, to me doing it.
Let's see Prince's reaction.
No, my reaction.
Yeah.
I want to see too.
Get ready.
Okay. Dr. Babusa signing out.
You with your baby?
Okay, enough, guys. I know you're excited to see Daddy, but we got Sissy sleeping, and she's a high risk. She wakes up very easily.
This is me. Just
Okay,
wait.
enough of all. Tastes good. I know that trend. You know how you do it? Yeah, put your feet up behind you. Or just if you stand tall enough, or short enough.
That's Dr. Babusa's reaction.
Mommy, I can make my
From now on, I'm going to call you Dr. Babusa.
Me too.
From now on, I'm going to call you Dr. Babusa instead of Dad.
Mommy made mine watch it.
And see if Dr. Babusa wants some Coca-Cola.
I am giving it to him.
Can I? I want to. Okay. Dad, do you want some Coca-Cola?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Here we go.
Leave it.
Sanctified. Hey, can I open it for you?
No,
Migration rated those apartments that where they live in today. And they, I don't know if they were
I'm his son.
or what, but they took some people and they were like blocking the entrance.
Dr. Babusa.
Dr. Babusa. What's Dr. Babusa?
Dr. Babusa. If you
Dad,
go on
I love
TikTok, you
him.
know him. He's practically famous now. And he's my dad. And then we have the Christmas tree up, you can see. Let's see, I have the Christmas tree up.
There's been some speculation that you might have had something to do with orchestrating this crime. Did you?
Absolutely not. What happened to me was horrific. I'm trying to sleep in. I did not eat. To suggest that I have anything to do with this is a lie.
Thank you. Nothing further.
Mr. Rowland,
Thank you, Judge. As far as
Livy, Prince, come on, heavily done.